Hello, welcome to the homework review skill order of operations with integers. We spent another day in class today talking about order of operations, just additional practice, remembering to evaluate groupings first, then exponents, then multiplication and division left to right, and addition and subtraction left to right. We did additional practice in class, and then this sheet, skill order of operations with integers, was assigned for homework. First question, find the value of each expression. 1, 8 plus 2 times 9. We have grouping, so we do 8 plus 2 is 10, times 9 is 90. 2, division first, 1 divided by 4. And you might be like, 1 divided by 4, well, it's just a fraction, 1/4. Then you have 5 minus 1/4, which is 4 3/4, or 4.75, or 4 75/100. Parentheses, 6 plus 3, excuse me, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 divided by 18 is just 1/2, or 0.5, 5/10. Here we have multiplication, so we do that first. 6 times 7 is 42. 80 minus 42 is 38. Kind of do that over on the side. 5. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. For 6, we have multiplication, but we have grouping. So we do the grouping first. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Same here. 6 times 5 is 30. 35 minus 30 is 5. 8 divided by 3 is 8/3, which I converted to 2 2/3. 2 2/3 plus 6 is 8 2/3. 9, we have an exponent here, so we have to do that first. -4 squared is -4 times -4, which is positive 16. Then we have 16 plus 10 times 2. Now we do the multiplication. 10 times 2 is 20. 16 plus 20 is 36. 10. Same thing, we have an exponent. Now this is tricky because there's not a parenthesis here, but it is, you'll notice it's not -4 squared, it's 4 squared and then the negative. So you do 4 squared is 16 and then you make that negative. So -16 plus 10 times 2, or -16 plus 20 is positive 4. Here, 5 times 3 squared is 15 squared plus 8. Over here on the side, 15 squared is 15 times 15, which is 225. 225 plus 8 is 233. 12. 5 times 3 squared plus 8. We have an exponent. 3 squared is 9. And then we do 5 times 9 is 45. Add the 8, 53. We have a grouping. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Here we have an exponent. 4 squared is 16. Then we just are left with -9 plus 7 minus 16. You go left to right. -9 plus 7 is -2. -2 minus 16 is -18. On to 15. We have exponents. -6 squared. See, this is different from the one above because now you can see it's actually -6 squared, not the negative of 6 squared. So -6 squared is -6 times -6, which is 36. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So we're left with 36 plus 27 minus 7. 36 plus 27 is 63. 63 minus 7 is 56. Again, so here's that difference. Now it's just 6 squared and then negated. So -36 plus 27 minus 7. -36 plus 27 is -9, minus 7 is -16. Here we have exponents and groupings. My grouping is 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 to the third is 8. 5 squared is 25. So I have 8 plus 3 times 4 minus 25, which is 8 plus 12 minus 25, which is 20 minus 25, which is -5. Our secret word today, since yesterday was rain, today's secret word will be sun, S-U-N. So even though it's sunny, it's a little chilly, but I'll take the sun. S-U-N is our secret word. Here we have groupings and exponents, so we're going to do the do the grouping first, but within the grouping it's an exponent, so we have to do that exponent first. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 8 is in our parentheses, minus 5 times 4, minus 5 squared. 8 plus 8 is 16, minus 20, minus 25. And I can do this exponent and then do the multiplication. 16 minus 20 is -4. -4 minus 25 is -29. Exponents, 2 cubed is 8, and 5 cubed is 25. 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 25 is 125. So we have 24 minus 125 plus 8. 24 minus 125 is negative 101, plus 8 is negative 93. And our last problem has exponents and groupings again. So exponent here is 5 squared is 25, plus 8 is 33. And then over here we have 2 cubed, which is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So we end up with 8 times 3 minus 5 times 33. 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 33 is over here is 165. And then you subtract the 24, you get 141. So that concludes the investigation for skill order of operations. Thank you.